So hello, this is my first video in English and my English is not so good, but today I want to show you something about a car we know. We have bought. This is a 56 VW Beetle and therefore you have to see some seat covers. It's out of plastic, it's out of big plastic from the 50s, and now you can see the original seat covers. It's nearly never touched the last 60 years. Everything's original. It's great condition here. Only to clean, and I have never seen something like that before in an old car like this. I think the old owner have loved this car very much, because now we bought it before 15 years and it's like a big reparation here. But when we do renovate the car, you want to see the complete seat cover sets. Here in the background also the seat covers from plastic. This is the original from 1956. Very great condition. Never seen something like that before. The batwing wheel, very great condition car. Very great. So I hope I have to show you something about old VWs. Maybe you're interested. Then you have to like my channel, give me a button up, and thank you very much for seeing this video. Thank you. Bye.